Josh, thank you. This is National Bird Day. It's meant to be a full day to reflect on the beauty of birds and how we treat the animals. Birds, of course, are a big part of human culture. Many songs and pieces of art are inspired by the animals. Here in the Suncoast, the organization Save Our Seabirds is dedicated to rescuing and rehabilitating sick birds and then releasing them back into the wild. The organization says 1/3 of bird species are threatened by extinction within the next 30 to 50 years. Save Our Seabirds credits the creation of National Bird Day to another organization.
National Bird Day actually celebrates the anniversary of the founding of the Audubon Society in 1905. The National Audubon Society was formed to cut down or to basically to stop the hunting of these birds to extinction for feathers for ladies' caps.
They add the public awareness and education about the needs of birds can improve the welfare and conservation of the animals.
Are you seeing more birds than usual today? Well, it's National Bird Day, but that's not the only reason birds are flocking to the Suncoast. National Bird Day celebrates the anniversary of the Audubon Society. The society works to protect birds from becoming extinct. It may appear more birds are in Florida right now, but it's only because they're migrating south for the winter. Save Our Seabirds CEO David Pilston offers quick tips to help our birds live longer on the Suncoast. He says take the hooks out of birds' mouths instead of cutting the fishing line. Another thing, don't throw food out your window. That's one way birds are hit by cars. And lastly, watch out for sandhill grains on the golf courses.
85% of birds do not reach their second birthday at this point. They're that vulnerable, and so we're trying to do our part to protect these birds. They're a beautiful part of nature. They inspire art, but also they're an important part of the food chain.
Pilston also says more people come to the Sunshine State to watch birds than to play golf.
Well, nature lovers, today is National Bird Day. It's meant to be a full day to reflect on the beauty of birds and how we treat the animals. Here on the Suncoast, the organization Save Our Seabirds is dedicated to rescuing and rehabilitating sick birds and releasing them back into the wild. The organization says education about the needs of birds can improve the welfare and conservation of the animals. Save Our Seabirds teaches students by using the injured birds as props.
We bring Buck out to schools and other educational programs to just teach people about the effects of car collisions with birds of prey.
The organization says 1/3 of bird species are threatened by extinction within the next 30 to 50 years. And in an effort to save the declining number of birds, a great rescue on the Suncoast today. Justin Matthews from Matthews Wildlife Rescue says he rescued this osprey today from the Sarah Bay Golf Course. He says the osprey was lying in the same spot for several days. He says the bird is sick and malnourished and will receive treatment at, guess where, Save Our Seabirds.